My dad took me to my first yoga class when I was 18, and before that I was your typical teenage high school athlete who was dominated by the idea that masculinity and toughness meant never showing you were weak or feminine, which I soon learned was the opposite of truth. My first yoga experience was very humbling and encouraging. I was humbled by the mental and physical strength that it took. At the same time, I was very encouraged because my body was competent with the physical components of asana. My most transformative breakthrough came during my teacher training. I was just in complete awe of the vastness of what the 8 limbs of yoga had to offer. And at the same time had this realization that I was well on my path since I had begun teaching movement years before. And it was like my soul had this aha type of moment where it told me that I was exactly where I needed to be. My physical transformation with yoga has been one of more length and mobility, flexibility, pliability, and more resiliency, and not just physically, but also mentally. Spiritually and emotionally, I become more of my true self each and every time that I step on my mat. Along the way, I've learned to be kinder to myself and towards others because we're all at different stages on the journey of life. By taking the time to do my work of listening and growing, I can help the collective with theirs. In my classes, I pass on these lessons by sharing that have come across my consciousness throughout my journey. All the thoughts, the self-talk, all the experiences that I've overcome and faced. My hope is that you'll find more self-love and compassion for yourself, because if we can have more self-love and compassion for ourselves, we're gonna radiate that towards others and towards everybody who gets to experience us. My name is Mychal Prieto, and I look forward to practicing with you on Inner Dimension TV.